Yesterday I created the first issue for our DAV improvement proposals repo, and Alec and I prepared for a talk we have at Google Campus next week for Blockchain and Smart Mobility Conference. And today I added 2 new products to our products page that will showcase the route planning utility and the drone charging service. And I also worked on creating a new wizard for this route planning creation. And this is it. Thanks.
Hi everybody. Today I continue to work on merging the integrations of routing plan provider and charger provider together. And that's it for today for me. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Yesterday, my main focus was to make sure the token sale postponement and rescheduling went off without a hitch. Did a lot of work around that. Today the main focus has been, I'm down in Silicon Valley at a Connected Cars California conference, meeting with a lot of great people from Ford and the likes of that. Actually, randomly enough, and ironically enough, we also announced today Ford being our advisor. So, great day all around down here in Silicon Valley with a bunch of people in the auto industry. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hey DailyDAVers, hey Alec. So today I started the day with making the DailyDAV. And then I worked some more on the scammers video. It's nearly done, so we will be able to see that soon. And then I made this route planning illustration, did some camera tracking in 3D space and some rotoscoping, and this will be used in our product page in our website. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.
Hey Davers, Alec here. Aerodyne's call went really well. We're exploring a potential collaboration within the building inspection premise, and we'll see how that will unfold very soon. Later I'm speaking to John about our new campaign for the Taxi Alliance that is already ready and good to go. And that's about it. Have a great day, and we'll speak soon.
Hey guys, today I started with some technical stuff about the KYC process. Then I had some technical issues, getting ready for some new guys that are going to join the team next week. So we got a new room. This is our new room. This is Tal waving. Well, let's hope next week we're going to welcome our new guys and it's going to be okay. And I'll talk to you then. Bye.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I finished DAV road create, and today I'll plan make 2 new sections for page DAV product. I'll add a section drone charging network and drone flight planning showing to our new mobile app. I'll make the section in our brand visual style. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.